The iPad Air 4 2020 looks to bring even more pro-level features to the lower price iPad, and its screen might get even bigger. Now that we have seen the iPad Pro 2020 rollout, the Apple tablet rumor mill has started to show signs.
Rumors and leaks so far points to the iPad Air 4 2020 having a lot of in common with the more modern iPad Pros, much like how the iPad Air 3 was, based on the 10.5-inch iPad Pro. While the iPad Air 4 could also get the Face ID if it is heavily based on the 11-inch iPad Pro. If it has a similar shape and build, the iPad Air will also support iPad Pro Magic Keyboard, so you will not be limited to the smart keyboard. Second gen Apple Pencil support will be also likely follow. The new Air will have 10.8-inch screen, which might be make the larger bezel or slightly different shape. As for the storage, expect the starting capacity of 64 GB.
For a processor, the A13 Bionic makes sense for the iPad Air 2020. If you consider the Apple history of recycling CPUs, the iPad Air 3 features the A12 Bionics, which is used in iPhone XS and XR phones. Now, talking about the design, the home button is still there, most obviously, so you don't get the risky but super cool all-screen design that we got on the 2019 and 2020 iPad Pro models, which makes sense if we had access to the design for $4,099 that look like to change next time around. The reports and rumors are suggesting that the new iPad Air will have the all-screen design, but they don't have a notch. Instead, our Touch ID features and the home button will be concealed underneath of glass. The arrival of the Touch ID under the screen might be also big news, but there will also be the change to the screen size thanks to thinner bezel. Indications are that the new iPad Air screen could measures 11-inch diagonally